There are many high points and many low points in life. And every experience in your life will teach you important things. The low points will teach you important things, and the high points will teach you important things. Never forget to learn from your mistakes. Never let success get to your mind. Never let it get to your ego. Just because you're the topper doesn't mean tomorrow things will change. So those who did not make it to the top, keep fighting, keep working, keep striving. And those who are on the top, be humble. I tell everybody in my group and in the friend circle that I have, if there is one quality that I would like to tell anybody and everybody to have, is humility. So I hope the students who are here today, who have topped,